We are at the next topic, which is BTST and STBT future stocks. Means in that in future stocks we can buy today and sell tomorrow, or sell today and buy back tomorrow. So how we could do this? So there are many ways to do it. We need to have correct data, correct change in the open interest, and we need to also be able to figure out the change in the price. So there are two ways. One is that I'm opened up my Fires, platform. This is a trading platform like Zerodha, and here you get to know what's happening. Where are the long built up happening? See here, this is the long built up that you can see. You can see the long built up happening here, short built up happening here, short covering happening here, and the profit booking happening here, right? So you can see where are the longs being built, and you need to put them on your StockPro setup and then see what's happening in them, right? And like these are the ones where the short built shorts are being built. Like see a lot of them out here. You can see that all of them, the price change is negative and the open interest is high. That means the highest, which is being highest short are being generated in PNB. So you want to look at PNB, what's happening. Let me just show you out here. This is PNB. So this is how PNB is just falling down, right? So this is PNB. Let me show you a few more stocks. Muthoot Finance, that's also being shorted. Yeah, so it experienced a resistance and came down. Then let's see a few more. And the the longs being built, you can see the change, percentage change is positive, and the change in OI is also positive. So the long is being built in NIT Tech. So this is how NIT Tech, it's heading up, right? It's going up, right? So you can see the Mindtree here as well. Mindtree, like it's consolidating. It may be heading up on some time. If you just see here, 60 minutes. So it has a little barrier at this point, which is 1016. If it crosses 1016, it will head up. Mindtree will head up, right? Then look into KPIT. Right, so this is how you can see the longs being built up. All right, and then you can see here short covering at this place. Short covering means those who have already done the shorting, they are exiting their positions, right? Similarly here, profit booking. Profit booking means people are, if they've shorted, they are buying back, and if they've bought, they are selling it. So this is what you get from the Fires. You go to the FNO analysis and you can get actions in futures. You get basically everything that's happening in the futures market, right? Let me just show you here. You go to the FNO analysis, actions in future, and you can see what's happening action in future, where the long build, short covering, profit booking. Then also you can see options calculator, most bullish and bearish. So if you see here, here the most bullish here is right now SRE Infra, NHPC, IRB, Just Dial. These are actually the most bullish, right? These are most bullish, and they keep changing. You can see here, these are the futures, most bullish futures. Dish TV, HCC, Infibeam, Balram Cheney, Balakrishna Industries, and South Bank. And most bearish, ITC, Hexaware, Ramco Cement, Cipla, HCC, ACC, etc. Then you can figure out a lot more from here. Like you get to see here open interest gainers and losers. So who have gained the most gainers in the open interest are PNB, Muthoot Finance, Repco Home. They're all on the sell side. Cipla, NIT Tech, Can Bank, Voltas, Mindtree, KPIT. And which are the which have lost the open interest is KCL, PC Jeweler, HDFC Bank, V-Guard, JP Associate, Jet Airways, etc. Right? So you get a load of information from Fire's platform. If you want to open, you can ask my team to give you the, you know, the link. You can open up the Fire's account. It is free. I think they charge some maintenance, some small amount of maintenance. That's about it. All right. So you have a lot of things here, and then you have the tools here, which gives you the heat map. You know what's happening in the market. The market is almost red. The most bleeding sector is the bank, and then you have personal and household good, or oil and gas, etc. Food and beverages is also very red. Telecommunication is also red. So you can select your, like you can see in this also, which is bleeding most. PNB is bleeding maximum. Then the Federal Bank, then Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank, Bank of India, and SBI, and these are also bleeding, you know. Then you can check from here, in heat map, what's happening in the telecom sector. So Bharti Airtel has got the biggest, space, and it's most bleeding right now than Idea and the Tata Communication. They're all bleeding. Let's look into what's happening in the telecom sector. So IT sector. Let's look into the IT sector. So if I can get, where is IT, telecom, industrial goods, automobile, information technology. So Infy is red, Hexaware is positive, TCS, Mindtree, Emphasis, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, Hexaware. These HCL Tech and Infy are red, right? So at a glance only you get the whole picture of the market, right? Look into tools further and we'll see what else is there. You have live scanners also here, right? You have live scanners also. Which are the stocks making day high, right? Which are the making low? You can arrange the data if you want. So scan conditions are given here. Ambuja Cement has made new high, and Coal India has made new low of the day, right? IOC has made 4.15% near 52-week low, and so all this data you get here. Ambuja Cement has made new high, ITC had made new high, IndusInd Bank made a new high, whereas Coal India is making new low every day, right? So see here, this is my portfolio. I mean, see how it's almost giving me good 12% return. But I want to take you here and see here in what's happening in Coal India. Coal India is having a massive fall. Look at the Coal India. It's been just falling down, right? It's been just falling down. And if you want to see it with respect to the Ichimoku cloud, you will be able to see it very, very clearly that the stock is under great resistance, right? The stock is under great resistance. It experienced a resistance, and this part shows that the stock is in the downtrend. So now, where could have we shorted? This is the resistance stock is taken. We can short it at this point only, which is 291, or when the blue line crosses the red line, in the downward direction, which is 282. Or in case we want to look into the StockPro setup, we could have sold where it experienced the resistance, or the moment candles come down below 10 moving average. 287 is what we could have sold at, right? Similarly, Reliance Capital looks right now bearish to me. Like it is today a gap down opening, and it's further heading down, right? It's a gap down opening and it's further heading down, right? So this is how you will be able to filter out stocks, by looking at the open interest. So I'm showing you from the Fires, which is what you need to open up an account with. Then you will be able to use this website. But in case you don't want to do that, then I'll give you another, way to filter out the change in the open interest. You type increase in open interest with increase in price, right? And this is the money control website. You go here and go to the 31st May expiry and find out highest open interest, right? Now these are the stocks which have the highest open interest. If you want, you can arrange it in the order. So the PNB, you can see, has got the highest change in open interest, and the price change is negative, means aggressive short are being built, right? Similarly, Muthoot Finance price is down and the open interest is increasing, right? You can keep refreshing this and see what's happening. Price is down, open interest is high. Price is up, open interest is also up. So the NIIT Tech is having long, and PNB, Muthoot and Repco has the short being built. Cipla has, negative price, and the, you know, um, open interest is also up, so that price is low, open interest is up, means short being built. Can Bank is also the same situation. KPIT, the price is up, and even the percentage changes up, positive. Both of them are positive, means the stock is heading up. MRPL price is going down, and the open interest is high, means short are being built. Bank of Baroda, price is down, open interest is high. As we saw, the banks are bleeding, so you can see PNB, you can see Bank of Baroda, you can see SBIN, all of them having opportunity to short. What you can do here, you can go to this place, increase in open price and increase in the open interest and increase in the price, and go. So you will see where are the longs being built. So Karnataka Bank, KPIT, and let me just arrange this in the increasing order. So the highest open interest is in NIIT Tech, KPIT, Mindtree, Tata Elxsi, Karnataka Bank, TVS Motors. These are all where the longs are being built. That is what I showed you here as well. In Fires platform also gave us almost the same information. Actions in the future. See here, NIIT Tech, Mindtree, KPIT, TVS Motors, Tata Elxsi, Page Industries, and so on and so forth. Let's see here. NIIT, KPIT, Mindtree, Tata Elxsi, Karnataka Bank, TVS Motors, Tech Mahindra, Ajanta Pharma, SRF. This is where the longs are being built. Similarly, if you switch over, you can see increase in open interest and decrease in price. So what will that give you? Where are the short being built? Where are the fresh? You can read it over here. Increase in open interest along with decrease in price mostly indicates short position being built, right? So here, let's just organize once again this highest I want at the top. Where are the highest, the position being built? So PNB, Muthoot Finance, Repco Home, Cipla, Can Bank, MRPL. These are the places where the shorts are being built, and that is what exactly even Fire's telling me. So PNB, Muthoot Finance, Repco Home, Cipla, Can Bank, Voltas, right? These are the places where the shorts are being built. All right. So this is a free place. This is Money Control's free place. The link is, you simply need to type in the Google browser, change in the open interest with change in the price, and it will straight away bring you to this place. Now let's say here, decrease in open interest and decrease in price. Go. This is long unwinding, where the long unwinding is happening. So I'm just organizing it with percentage wise. So I want this data to be organized. So see here, at the bottom, if you see, the Indiabulls Housing Finance has the highest open interest decrease, and the price is also down. Means there is, like you look it from the top. So PEL, MFSL, IFCI, Bajaj Auto, Godrej Industries, Bosch Industries, Reliance Infra, right? All of them are having, basically it says decrease in open interest along with decrease in price mostly indicates long unwinding. So Oro Pharma is one example I can show you. Oro Pharma was actually in the uptrend, but see here, this is one day. If I remove the Ichimoku cloud, you will be able to see it much more clearly. So this stock was an uptrend, right? And this is also, it was an uptrend. So people are unwinding their long positions. That is what this data tells me. Britannia, UBL, NMDC, Tata Communication, Wockhardt, DHCL, NHPC, Hinsing, all these places, the long unwinding happening. And then the last one is decrease in open interest and increase in price. Let's see what's happening. So these are the stocks where the price has increased but the OI has decreased, right? TV18 broadcast. So it says decrease in open interest along with an increase in the price mostly indicates short covering, except for weak stocks where traders may decide to book profit, cut losses at higher levels. It may also indicate delivery-based buying by institution, which pushes up the price and speculators use it to unwind, right? So it means short covering. People, those who have shorted are buying it back, right? Those who have shorted it back are buying back. For example, people must have shorted in PC Dweller. Now people are buying it back. Let me show you what's happening in PC Dweller. So see here, the stock was in downtrend, but today people are buying back. They are covering up their shorts, right? That is what you see. The people are in the short, but now they are covering up their positions. So now the question comes, how do we use this increase in the open interest and increase in the price for BTST and the STBT price? So what you need to do, about at 3 o'clock or 3:15, you will refresh this website. And if you want to do BTST in the futures, you need to see where is the highest increase in the open interest and increase in price, right? You have to see at about 3 o'clock or 3:10, 3 o'clock rather, I would say 3 is a better time. Just refresh this website and find out where is the increase in the open interest and increase in the price, right? Roughly about 3 o'clock or 2:55, you will be able to see the stocks where the fresh buying is coming after 2:30, right? So if the open interest is increasing and the price is increasing, you can buy, and you will see within 15 minutes your target will be met of about 1 or 2 rupees in the futures, right? So this is all. If you feel that you would like to carry it forward for the next day, if you feel the momentum is really good, you can book profits at about 3:20 and then again create a fresh buy position at about 3:25. All right. So you need to see whichever you see the highest, like you will, when you will refresh it time and again, you will see the price of these stocks changing. Some of the stocks coming up, the open interest will be changing in them very fast, and those stocks, and you can go back and see here and what's happening here. Is the buying coming in the last half an hour? If it is so, you will basically take that stock for buying opportunity, right? I hope I am making sense. You have to check this particular place, which is money control, and how do you come to these places? You just write in Google's browsers increase in price with increase in OI. You will come to this place, change it to the latest expiry, and then you will need to find out what is the highest open interest coming up, right? It could be the open interest on the buy side or on the sell side. So see, right now the highest open interest, if I change it, you will see the highest open interest is in PNB, right? So you have to see this about 255. If you see the open interest being built, by refreshing it twice, thrice, if you see the open interest being built, so sometime you can do BTST, means if the price is going up and the OI is going up, you can buy one lot of the stock with the proper stop loss, and within 20 minutes you will see 1 or 2 rupees going up. So book the profit, and if you feel like again taking it forward, you feel that the fundamentals are looking good, the stock is on a support, then take it forward for the next day, and you will be able to create good money. Like we have given one stock yesterday, which is 15th of May. We gave a stock for BTST, and that stock for BTST was Colgate-Palmolive, right? Colpal. We gave it at 1148. Let me just show it to you. Colgate-Palmolive here. So we gave it here 1148. Let me just show you at about 2 o'clock or so. So 2:30 here. We gave a buy at this place. We gave a buy at this place. 1148. And we gave a target of about, let me just, I'm looking at the text messages and from there I'm finding out. We gave it, and the stop loss was, whole pal was 1148, and see, from 1148 yesterday only it touched the high of 1156, and the lot size of if you want to check what's the lot size of Colgate-Palmolive, the lot size is 700, right? And 700, and going from 1148 to 11, if you want to book it at 1154 or 1153, you get good returns of about 6 points, and which is 4,200 rupees, right? And how we got this? Being at the same place and checking where is the open interest is increasing and the price is also going up, and then we carry forwarded it today, right? We brought it today forward, and see here people book one lot of profit at this point, 1170, right? 1148 we bought, 1170 people book the profit, right? So this is how you will be able to create good BTST stocks, right? Similarly, STBT, one could have looked into STBT stocks also. So one of the stock that I had on my radar was Jain Irrigation. Jain Irrigation was a STBT stock, right? So we sold it somewhere here, right? Basically, you have to look into the open interest. So about 3 o'clock, it was sold at this point with the price rejection 104, 104 or 103.94, and it came down about 103. So 50 paisa, the lot size of Jain Irrigation is very high. So you could, 50 paisa will also give you good amount of money. So the lot size is 9,000. Even 50 paisa will give you good 4,500 rupees. And if you want, you could have brought it forward and see how it gave a gap down opening. From 103 it gave 102.43, right? So this is also, this is called STBT, sell today and buy back tomorrow. Another place where I could see the built up of shorting opportunity was this Pidilite. So Pidilite, this is 3 o'clock. You can see the open interest was decreasing, even the price was open interest was increasing and the price was going down. So it came down from 1092 to 1085, right? Yesterday only. And let's say we sold it at 1092 and we could have bought it back at 1088, and again we would have shorted it at about 320 or 325, and see here it opened massively gap down. Let's see, make it 5 minutes, then you will see it much better. So yesterday, had we sold it at about 3 o'clock, the price was roughly about 1093, right? And we could have bought it back at about 320 or 325. So 1093 to 1088, about 5 points. And what's the lot size of Pidilite? I think it's 1000. Pidilite, the lot size is 1000. We would have got good 5,000 rupees, and again shorted it about 325, somewhere here, 1088, and we could have bought it back today somewhere here, right, which is 1082. So selling at 1088, buying it back at 1083, good about 5 points once again, so 5,000 rupees. This is called STBT, right? So how do you get to know what's happening? You have to come to this space and check. And if you have a FIRES account, you can also get it over here. Where are the short being built? Where are the percentage change happening? These stocks will keep moving up and down. These stocks will keep on moving up and down. So you will be able to figure out from here, where is the change in the open interest happening? Where is the price going down or price going up? And from there, you will be able to filter out STBT and BTST stocks. So if you're looking for STBT stocks, Okay. If you're looking for STBT stocks, so you have to ensure that the stock is under resistance, right? For example, Jindal Jain irrigation. I knew that the stock is under resistance, right? It is below all its moving average, and it's below its Ichimoku cloud, right? That is how I was wanting to short it. Same goes with Bharti Airtel. I was sure about that the stock is under resistance, and if you see in the Ichimoku cloud, so you could have done BTST, STBT in even this Bharti Airtel as well. So Bharti Airtel actually didn't show much clarity yesterday. Bharti Airtel didn't show much clarity yesterday about STBT, but like see here, there's no clarity, right? So you could have seen it clearly in the open interest. But the moment it opened today with the market being negative, it has fallen down so massively. Okay. So this is how you do STBT and BTST stocks. STBT and BTST stocks. This is how you trade in them. All right. So now I hope I have made it clear. You have to use open interest to filter out the stocks for STBT and BTST. All right. So with this, let me sign off, and we'll meet in the next video. Right? Hope you are understanding. If you have a question, please write an email, and I'm also going to conduct your classes so that you can understand it. All right. Bye-bye.